Hey guys, first of all download Bybit application. The link is given in the description. Now click sign up. Now enter your email and create a strong password. Make sure you remember your password. Then click referral code. Now here enter our referral code GET50 get 50 to get exclusive discount on trading fee and 30,000 deposit blast bonus. I will show you next how you can claim it. Now verify your email. Now here you will get this pop-up to verify your identity, so click verify now. Guys, this is must do action. If you verify your identity, you will unlock all features of Bybit, and you can upload any government document to verify it. It will take few hours to verify. Then you can come back, and here you will see option called rewards hub, so click it, and first of all claim your 20 USD welcome gift. Then you will see 30,000 USD deposit blast, so click this button, simple, and then you can check 50 USD bonus for 100 USD deposit and 100 USD trade. Similarly with 5,000 USD you will get 100 USD bonus, and guys you can get up to 30,000 USD bonus, and you will get this only if you use our referral ID get 50, otherwise you will not get this. And after that you can back again and complete all these rewards and claim it. After that you can go to your account, then deposit crypto, and you can deposit any crypto with any network, and you can also buy crypto with peer-to-peer with your currency.